In motorsport, the daily challenge is to never be satisfied with what has been achieved. We wanted to simplify our scanning process, make it faster and above all, more reproducible. And that's where automation technology came in perfectly. We immediately realized that we were pursuing the same goals. We developed this system together, optimized it together and put it into operation. We can perform more scans in less time with absolutely repeatable results. This is now standardized, predictable and fully automated.
We are already thinking a step ahead, bringing the system to a wider range of users, so everybody can use it on a day-to-day basis.
EDAS was really easy to integrate into our daily processes right from the start, especially the simulation capabilities beforehand make it a game changer for us.
Now that the system is well implemented within the company, we can see that new needs arises. Everybody is asking more and more questions about it, so how we can improve and bring more value to the company with that.
Thanks in particular to EDAS open interfaces, we feel very well equipped for the future. The project is definitely continuing and I still walk in and out of here every day looking at these cars and I'm still fascinated by them every day. Fascinated by the technology, but equally by the team spirit that you can feel everywhere here, which we also felt with the team from 11 Dynamics, making it a perfect match for us, looking to the future.